doing free work, you will find many problems. The first problem is that no balance walker, and the second walking very slow, and the third one is don't know how many you already produced. For this one, now we introduce you our tire frame equipment TS-J37T automatic joint machine to you. This one will help you very easy to handle large quantity productions, and also will help you to handle the walking, no need any appearance. Only this one only need to add the assistance on the touch screens, and very simple to handle walker. Now we'll show you how this machine working like. First of all, this machine, when you got this machine, you will install a two table like this. Install this two table only need, and then connecting with the electric power and also the air power, the two power in it. After that, we have a red button here, emergency button to open that and choose the English. Now, then it can start work. The first, we need to know how to choose the vinyls. For the moldings, every moldings it has a thickness. We just find the same one, very same place, same position. How much the thickness it is, and then to choose the vinyls. For the vinyls, it has the four sizes: 7 mm, 10 mm, and also the 12 mm. The last one is the 15 mm, the 4 different sizes. And for the machine, also we have the 4 different vinyl block. Use the different vinyls, you should confirm is to change the different vinyl block one. For the vinyl block, it has the 4 sides. Come. It has 4 sides. The flat one is the 15 mm, and the second one is the 12, and the third one is the 10. Highest one is 7 mm. And if for the 10 mm, this molding, we'll check. This one, just find the same one, how much it is. For example, this one actually it can make the 15 or the 12 mm the vinyls, but now we only use the 10 mm. 10 mm. Attention, when you put loading the vinyls into the machine, you will find the nails like this. One side it has glue, and also it has a 90 degrees edge here to open it. This will open, and to put it inside. Attention, glue side face up, and the edge side face to back side to put it inside. Put it inside and to close this button. See here, we'll push it. Then we go to the press, and to see and shoot the nails. We press the shoot nails to find here if come here. We'll find if for the vinyls will go out or not. Shoot the nails. Now this means you go to the right, correct the vinyl block inside. Okay, now we start to add the assistance. For this moldings, for example, I want to shoot it like this position, this 3 position. For the molding when you walking is like that. The mean if the distance allowed, so mean at least you leave 1 centimeter in the front. In that way, the corner will close better. Now we just shoot the 3 pieces and then put here. You'll find this later. I'll make this edge is the position for shoot nails. Later I'll make it back and to edit the computers. Now we go back and here make the computer. this is a new computer to get your place. Then we just make the 0. Now all clean. Computer all clean. We make the plus. Then here we'll to start to edit the systems. For the 1 nail, 2 nail, 3 nail, 4, 5, maximum can make the 4 nail, 5 nail in one position. And also for screen is the 12. 1, 2, 12 position you can shoot. Now this molding we only shoot the 3 position, and for this one we need to use this, move back or front. See here, the distance will change. So let's go see here the edge. 没拍的是长得乱吧 Okay, now go to this place. Set position. Set position. Now here become to 25. Now we make the third one. Set position. Right now is here the plus. Then the second one. Second to move this again. To move this again to get the right place. Right place. Okay, the 38 millimeter. We make the one piece nail again. Set position and the third one to go the back side. Okay, here choose the one position. This position 1 piece nail also. And also if you got the problem, you make a mistake, no problem. You just to get this space to make the one. Then set position. Now it can back. After you write here, then it's okay. It's already saved into the computer. And this the output is for the how many pieces corner you already produce. Now when you make the new one, you just cancel to become it 0. Okay. Now after 1, 2, 3, you already get this. You already get this 3 position. Later we'll start to shoot. We only need to put the one time, press one time, only one time. You will see. See, only one time. All the position is shoot as I want, and then I will make it in another side again to make it. See. All the position same. All the position is same. See. This is that. Okay, now we make the one corners, one frames come out. Every molding you will find the correct position that to use the clamp to press it. If you cannot ensure that if it can press it well, you just to after you put the molding here and then to use the second press in the computer's press. See, it won't move and won't be shake. Then this is the good. It's okay. So we make the press to out and then to shoot the nails. Shoot the nails. Let's start. We make it again to make the one frame. For this machine, advantage is that it's very simple to edit the systems and very fast worker. No need of moving the molding on the table as the regular type. This one automatic shoot in under the table. Very simple for the large working. Okay, now this is that. Every corners will go inside it. This is it. Now let's do the second one. Second one, this frame we only shoot the one piece nails and then to edit it again. Now we make this one, the second. This is new one and then make the plus. Now we need to move here to find the correct position. For example, I make it in 9mm, one piece nail and to set it. Now we start to make it. But first we need to adjust the clamp. When you change the molding, you need to confirm if this can close it well or not. You will need to confirm this. It will be better that this clamp only leave the 1 centimeter distance to the top side of the moldings. Only 1 centimeter to the top distance to the top side. Okay, now let's press it to text. Make it press. So it's okay, no problem. Then we start to shoot. We start to shoot it. Okay, one corner ready, and then we make it again. Even you put the 1 nails, 2 nails, or 3 to the 10 position, this one will help you very simple and to handle the very super large the productions. This is all the corners and close very well. Okay, this and for here is to check the change the systems, the molding system of you saved. This has the 300, can save the 301 for this. Now, when you need to go to that side, just write the number and to make the enter to that side. For example, you want to go to the number 1 moldings, just write 1 and to enter. Then it will be the same as the right one. Okay, this is the Tyson playing equipment TS-J37 automatic joint machine. This one will help you more. Call us to order it.